Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I want to show you a powerful buying signal that can be appeared in coming few days. And we will also take a look at this move of the price action that after breaking out this price level resistance at $39,500, now the price action is moving down, and we will try to analyze whether the price action will break down this support or it will be reversed bullish from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And here you will also find a lot more other trading ideas I'm sharing on the daily basis. Now, first of all, I want to show you this move. And previously we have seen that the price action was moving between the resistance and the support of this symmetrical triangle. And here we had a fake out, and the price action broke down the support and reversed back inside the triangle and broke out the resistance of the triangle, retested the previous resistance as a support, and moved to the upside. And in my previous videos, I told you that this is a really very strong and key level resistance for the price action to break out. Even we had this closing of this candlestick when the price action broke out this resistance here, that was $39,500. But after that, now the price action is retesting this previous resistance as a support. Now, if the price action will be close this support, that will be a bit critical, and the price action can move more down. And where the price action can move down, if we place more trend lines here, then we can see that the price action has also form this rising wedge pattern as well. That is a bit critical because it is considered as a bearish reversal pattern among the traders community. And here we can see that we also have an additional support this time of 25 simple moving average as well. Therefore, this time we have a little bit better situation, because if the price action will break down this support, then it will also retest this additional support of 25 simple moving average, and from here it can be reversed to the upside. However, if the price action will retest this 25 simple moving average, then we can see that we have this 25 simple moving average as $37,000. And if the price action will be reverse bullish from this support of the rising wedge pattern, then it can move up to $38,000, and from here it can be reverse bullish to test the resistance or break out the resistance, and that move can be approximately up to $42,000 to $43,000. And there is another reason that we have the better situation this time. One is this additional support of 25 simple moving average, and we can see that after a long time period, the price action after 12th of May, finally here the price action broke out this 25 simple moving average, and we are above this daily 25 simple moving average. And the second reason is that we have already broken out this resistance of the triangle, and the target of this triangle that I've already shared in my previous video with you guys as well, that was approximately from here, from this breakout point. If we place it here, then our target can be approximately $45,800, and if we place it for the safer side at the tip of the triangle, that can be approximately $45,400. And once the price action will be completely able to break out this resistance, as we have already broken out this resistance of $39,500, but it is retesting the previous resistance as a support, and if we will have the daily closing above this $39,500, it will be not broken down, then after crossing up the $45,400, we can also see that the price action will reach up to $50,000 resistance level, because you can see that from this level, $39,500 to this $50,000, we don't have any significant resistance. Now I want to show you the very, very powerful buying signal that is getting appeared, and maybe in few days it will be appeared, and that is the directional movement index with the combination of EMA 21. We can see that the directional movement index, this is the orange line, that is the negative directional index of the direction. It is a part of the directional movement indicator, and this is the negative directional index, and this blue line is the positive directional index. Whenever we have this blue line above the orange line, that is the buying signal, and when we have this orange line below the blue line, that is the sell signal. this orange line above the blue line, that is a sell signal. And this ADX, this red line, shows the power of bulls or bears. For example, at this time, we have the orange line above the blue line. So this ADX is showing the power of bears, and it is showing that it is moving down. And this is the clear signal that on the daily time frame chart, the bears are weakening. However, if it will be moved back to the upside, it will be showing that the bears are getting powerful. Now we can see that there is a very small distance remaining between this blue line and this sell line, this orange line. Once the blue line will cross this orange line, that will be the buying signal, and then we will need the ADX to move up to show the power of bulls. Now let's take a look at here. The price action has broken out this EMA 21 and 10 as well, and EMA 10 is going to form a bull cross while the price action is above the EMA 10 and 21. That is a very, very powerful buying signal. After a long time, we are going to receive, like here, this blue line, the EMA 10, crossed down this EMA 21. That was the sell signal, and the price action also broke down the EMA 21 and 10 as well on 12th of May. And after a long time period, the price action here on 14th of June, after a month, broke out this EMA 10 and 21, and now it is going to retest the EMA 21. And once we will receive the buying signal, like this EMA 10 will cross up the EMA 21, that will be the buying signal. We will also need this blue line to cross up this orange line. Otherwise, if the EMA 10 will cross up this EMA 21 and we will not receive the buying signal here, that can be a bull trap. Like previously we received the bull trap in the previous history, the recent history of the Bitcoin. Let me just show you here. We received the death cross or bear cross here. The EMA 10 crossed down the EMA 21. And we also received the sell signal. This orange line crossed up this blue line. And that was a sell signal by the directional movement index. And here we again received a bull cross. This blue line crossed up this EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21. But here we did not receive the buying signal. This negative directional index was still above the positive directional index. Therefore, this was the sell signal, and the price action followed the sell signal of that directional movement index and moved to the downside. And previously, let me show you here, when we received the confirmed buying signal, here we see that the EMA 10 here crossed down the EMA 21. That was a sell signal, and we also received the sell signal here as well. But again, this EMA 10 crossed up this EMA 21, and we again received the buying signal here by the directional movement index as well. You can see that this blue line crossed up this orange line, and we also received the cross between the EMA 10 and 21. That was the confirmed buying signal, and the price action followed this buying signal, and we had a very, very nice rally to the upside. And before this, we had let me show you the previous signal, the confirmed signal, the buying signal. We can see that here we received a death cross or bear cross between the EMA 10 and 21. You can see that the EMA 10 was moved down, and EMA 10 was the EMA 21 above, and the EMA 10 was moved down. And then here we received the buying signal. The EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21. And look at down here, we also received the buying signal between the cross between the positive directional index and the negative directional index, the blue line and the orange line. And this was a confirmed buying signal, and you can see that the price action followed this buying signal, and we had a very, very nice rally, a very big rally. Therefore, at this time, we can see the current situation. These two lines, this orange line and blue line, the negative directional index and this positive directional index, are very close to each other, and we need to keep an eye on this move. And once we will receive a bull cross between these two lines of the directional movement index and the price action, this EMA 10 will cross up the EMA 21. We need to take a look at the combination of these both signals. Like the EMA 10 should cross at the EMA 21, and we should also receive the bull cross between the positive directional index and the negative directional index. That can be a very confirmed buying signal, and then the price action of Bitcoin can follow the signal, and like it has been doing in the previous history, it can start a very big rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.